In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own PNG file using Canva in just a few simple steps. Canva is a fantastic online graphic design tool, widely used for creating everything from social media graphics to presentations. And understanding how to export your work as a PNG file is incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Canva website and open up your design. Once you're on the design page, the first thing you should look for is the Share button. It's usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this button will bring up a menu with several options on how you can share or download your design. It's a great feature that allows you to share your creativity directly with others or keep it for your own use. Next, from the menu of options, go ahead and click on Download. This is the section where you'll be able to choose how to save your design onto your computer. Right now, you might see a default file type selected. This is often preset to JPG or perhaps even PDF depending on your previous use. However, for today's purpose, we need to ensure this is set to PNG, so you'll now want to change the current file type by clicking on the drop-down menu. After clicking to change the file type, you'll see a list of available formats. You might notice several options like JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, video and more, but what we want is PNG, so simply scroll through if needed and select PNG as your desired format. PNG files are particularly great because they allow you to download images with transparent backgrounds and offer a higher quality compared to other formats. Once you've selected PNG, you can move on to the final step. Go ahead and click the download button, which will usually be at the bottom right of the pop-up menu. Clicking this button will trigger Canva to prepare your download. Just wait a moment while it processes. This should not take long, and that's it. Canva will save the file to your computer, typically to your system's default downloads folder, although this can vary based on your browser settings. And there you have it. You've successfully created and downloaded a PNG file using Canva. This method is especially useful if you need high resolution images or designs with transparent backgrounds for your projects. So remember, with these steps, you can quickly and easily export your graphics like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you in all your creative endeavors with Canva. Happy designing!